Now practice set number 41. First question. If the interest on 1700 rupees is 350 rupees for 2 years, the rate of interest must be, we have to choose answer from the below 4 options. First 12%, second 15%, third 4% or fourth 10%. Now we will find the given data in this question first. Principal is equals to 1700 rupees. Your interest given is equals to 340 rupees and the time is 2 years. And rate of interest we have to find. So our formula is interest I is equals to P multiplied by R multiplied by T divided by 100. So I is interest is equals to 340 rupees is equals to your principal. Principal is 1700 rupees multiplied by R we have to find, multiplied by T is equals to 2 years divided by 100. Now we'll directly cancel out 2 zeros. So here 17 multiplied by 2 is 34 multiplied by R and this is your 340. Now we have to find value of R. So 34 multiplied by R, we have to find R. 34 will go here and become division. So this is 340 divided by 34 is equals to R. 34 ones are, 34 tens are. So value of R, that is your rate, is equals to 10%. हमारे पास जो options थे 4 options, in that the answer is 10%. That is your fourth option. Now next question is fill in the blank. The values are given and we have to find the blank one. Means in first question principal is 4200, our rate of interest is 7% per annum and the time is 3 years. We have to calculate interest and amount. अब interest find out करने के लिए हमें formula पता है, interest is equals to P multiplied by R multiplied by T divided by 100. What is your P? That is principal is 4200 multiplied by your rate of interest is 7 multiplied by time is 3 years divided by 100. So we'll cancel out 2 zeros. We'll get 42 multiplied by 7 threes are 21 is equals to 882 rupees. So this is your interest. So it will go here. So the answer is rupees 882. Now next क्या find out करना है हमें? Amount. Amount is equals to A. हमारी amount क्या है? So that is principal plus your interest. What is your principal? Is 4200 rupees. Plus your interest is 882. So your addition is 5082 rupees. Yes, 4200 plus 8082. So the amount is rupees 5082 rupees. So this is your answer. Now in next question, principal is 8000 rupees. Our rate of interest is 5% per annum. We have to find the time in years. Interest given is 800 rupees and we have to find the total amount. We will use the formula of interest. interest is equals to P multiply by R multiply by T divided by 100. Interest given is 800 rupees. प्रिंसिपल क्या है हमारा 8000 रुपीज मल्टीप्लाई बाय R is 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय T तो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है डिवाइडेड बाय 100. We'll cancel out this 2 zeros. So what is remaining? 80 multiplied by 5 multiplied by T, that is our time, and interest is 800 rupees. So 80 multiplied by 5 is 400 multiplied by T as it is. This is 800. So now this 400 will come here. That is 800 divided by 400 is equals to T. So this is 400 ones are 400 twos are. So your time T is equals to 2 years. Means हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे टाइम कितना है हमारा 2 years के लिए है. Now we have to find the amount. Amount क्या है? Amount is equals to principal plus interest. What is our principal? 8000 rupees. What is our interest? That is 800 rupees. So your amount is equals to 8800 rupees. So we will write here rupees 8800. So this is your answer.